Changing currency on Squarespace is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you're going to find the website that you want to change the currency for. And once you're on the dashboard of the website, this is what it should look like. Now on the left side panel, you're going to go to the bottom of the page where you see the settings icon. You click on settings. On the left side panel again of the settings dialog box, you're going to go to selling. Now on the selling on the right, you're going to see some menu that pops up. On the right, you're going to go to payments. Now on the payment, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see settings and you're going to see store currency. Now this is where you're going to change your currency. You're going to click on that and you're going to go on the currency. You're going to choose the currency that you want to use and that Squarespace has available, and you choose either one of them. Now you also need to understand that you can only have one currency on your page. So once you change the currency, it's going to change for all items on your page. Now that's how to change currency on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.